How to grow carrots from seed. Tips on how to grow carrots. When you grow carrots, soil surfaces ought to be cleared of waste, rocks and extensive bits of bark. Better bits of plant material can be blended down into the dirt for enhancement. Begin with soil that will enable your carrots to grow. When you grow carrots, soil ought to be a sandy, all-around depleted topsoil. Substantial soils cause the carrots to develop gradually and the roots will wind up ugly and harsh. Keep in mind that when you grow carrots, rough soil prompts low-quality roots. Planting carrots. Plant your carrots in columns that are 1 to 2 feet separated is the most ideal route. How to grow carrots. Seeds ought to be planted about a ½ inch down and 1 to 2 inches separated. When growing carrots in the garden, you'll sit tight for your carrot plants to show up. At the point when the plants are 4 inches high, thin the plants to 2 inches separated. You may locate that a portion of the carrots are in reality sufficiently expansive to eat. Thin the carrots routinely to 4 inches separated. When growing carrots in the garden, make a point to plant, per individual, 5 to 10 feet of line to have enough carrots for table use. You will get around 1 pound of carrots in a 1-foot push. You need to keep your carrots free of weeds when growing carrots in the garden. This is never more so than when they are little. The weeds will remove supplements from the carrots. This will cause poor carrot improvement. How to grow container carrots. Grow carrots in compartments in soil that is lightweight and all-around depleted. Grow carrots in compartments that are sufficiently profound for the carrot's improvement. Holders ought to have waste openings, as root yields may spoil whenever left in wet soil. Smaller than usual and ox-heart assortments are most reasonable when you grow carrots in compartments. Underlying foundations of these carrots are just 2 to 3 inches in length at development. They are now and again called Amsterdam assortments. Compartment-grown carrots require ordinary dampness. Compartments require watering more regularly than products in the ground. Mulch can help hold dampness when you grow carrots in compartments and help hold weeds down. Growing carrots in compartments, likewise with other root crops, deliver better with little root unsettling influence, for example, that of pulling weeds. Plant holder carrots outside when temperatures reach 45 F. 7C. Growing carrots in holders creates the best framed carrot before temperatures achieve 70 F. 21C. Yet effective creation of growing carrots in holders happens somewhere in the range of 55 and 75 F. 1324C. When growing carrots in compartments in pre-fall, give an obscure zone that can keep temperatures 10 to 15 degrees lower than in bright spots. When you grow carrots in holders, treat with a decent plant sustenance that is light on nitrogen, the principal number in the 3-digit proportion. Some nitrogen is important, yet too much can empower intemperate growth of foliage with less going to carrot arrangement. Thin seedlings of growing carrots to 1 to 4 inches separated when they are 2 crawls in tallness. Most assortments are prepared for reap in 65 to 75 days in the wake of planting. Holders permit the adaptability of moving the yield to a cooler spot or covering if temperatures go underneath 20 F. 7C. Holder carrots can in some cases be overwintered for a late winter collect. Carrots that are overwintered can be utilized as required, as growth will moderate in temperatures underneath 55 F. 13C.